Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I'm finally going to be doing my room tour for my room. So basically my room is like a minimalist theme. I have lots of white, gray, black, and a touch of rose gold in my room. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notification so you are aware of when I post a new video, and let's just get straight into my room tour. So I'm walking to my room. Alright. Okay, so first thing you see outside of my room is my degree, and then we'll lead to my room. That's basically how it is. So when you first walk in, this is a quick little overview, and then I'm gonna slowly show you guys what's in my room. Okay, so when you first walk in, basically you see hardwood floors, my light switch. I'm probably going to get light switch covers soon just so the room can look better. But here I have a 3-drawer dresser. I did get this from Target. It ran around like 79 bucks. You do have to put it together, so I just have this white theme, so this is my dresser. Then I have this candle. This is the sandalwood Marif candle. I got this from Marshall's and it was like $2.99. It smells super good. Then I just have my speaker where I like to listen to music. Then I have this award from high school. And then I have my Alake Naturals Wake Me Up candle that smells super good. Then I just have a Y for Yalon. I need to like get it steady in the middle, like I need to put something there so it can stay, but I have that. And then I just have this cute little fake succulent plant, and I got this from Marshall's and it was like $4.99. So that is the overview of my dresser. Inside my dresser, I guess I could show you guys real quick. I just have like bra and panties, pajamas, and then miscellaneous stuff at the bottom, so like bathing suits, workout clothes, some of my boyfriend's clothes for when he comes over, stuff like that. Next I have this really big mirror, and I love this mirror. It's my favorite thing in here. I love waking up and then just like looking over, seeing the mirror. I got this from, where is this from? Marshall's. This was $49.99. These type of mirrors are usually really expensive, and I was so happy I found this. Then I have my window. I'm probably going to get some drapes soon. Next over here is my nightstand. This is from Target as well. It's from the same brand, so I wanted everything to pretty much look alike. I keep my router and modem down here for the Wi-Fi. It's connected into here. And then the first drawer, it's very messy, but I just usually keep like electronics over here, my iPad, and just like miscellaneous stuff like mail and phone cases. On top of my nightstand, I have my planner just to write anything, keep track. Then I have my glasses because I am blind, so my glasses just stay in there for at nighttime when I need them. Then I have this Voluspa candle. This is the Japanese plum bloom one. Then I have that same succulent fake plant from Marshall's, and then I have this really cute Himalayan pink salt lamp. This is from Ross. I'm obsessed with this. It has so many different health benefits, so usually at nighttime I just turn it on. Oh, it's unplugged right now. But usually at nighttime I turn this on, and it just looks super cool how it lights up my room. I didn't want a regular lamp. So next I do have a full-size bed. So, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I have this little, I don't know, like this white furry rug on the ground. This is from Ross. It was $14.99. I love these little furry rugs. Then I have the same one underneath, but this one's even more bigger. This one was like $36.99, and it was from Ross as well. So I have like the white furry theme. So my bed is a full size. The black bed skirt is from Target. And then I have this, what is this, like a cover set. I got this from Big Lots. I'm not really a fan of it, but I'm going to get something else soon. So it has the cover, the decorative pillow. Then I have these 2 pillows that my mom had got me for Christmas that I wanted when I moved out. And then I just have these other 2 memory foam pillows in the back. Up here above my wall, above my bed, I have some like Chanel pictures I thought were super cute. So it was kind of like a do-it-yourself project. I just bought the frames and printed out the images that I wanted. So I have this Chanel No. 5 perfume bottle, this No. 5 perfume, and then like the I forgot what this is called. I think it's like the designer artwork history. I don't know, but it just says like Chanel, Cartier, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga. So yeah. Then we're gonna move on to my vanity area. So I have another one of those white rugs that's from Ross as well, and then my pink rose goldish vanity chair is from TJ Maxx. This was like $35. Then here's my actual vanity. You see the mirror and everything like that. I just keep my makeup in this area right here. Then I have another Voluspa candle. Then I just keep my like rings here. My rings are on my hand right now, but I set my 2 main rings right here. My Apple Watch usually is right here, and then my 2 other main jewelry things. I have another candle. This I have right here. I got this from Ross. This is a really cute like vanity mirror. Oh yeah, then my sister got this from Goodwill from me, and then this little tray thing came from the 99-cent store, but it was $1.99. Then I just have all my like perfumes, lotions, and stuff like that right here. Then this first drawer I have, this is like hair stuff, so scrunchies, combs, scarves. And then this drawer is my like jewelry drawer, and I got these little organizers from TJ Maxx, and they were like $6.99. So I have those organizers in both of my drawers. Next I have this little, I don't even know what this is, but my mom had got this for me. I need to repaint it still, but I'm going to get some white paint, repaint it. But it has these 2 shelves. I haven't put stuff there yet. I don't know what I want to put there yet, but there's this bottom area, and I just put miscellaneous stuff. So I just have some hair combs, this pouch where I keep some coins in there, my old iPad, some shower caps, and like this hair piece thing. And then I just sit my bag on top. Then through this door, I still have to get my bathroom together. Still don't like it. Still don't know what's going on. But as you guys can see, the bathroom, and then I just have like my main products. So I have another pair of glasses because I'm blind. My toothbrush holder I found at Goodwill as well. This little hand soap. My bath mats are from the 99-cent store, so just like the rose gold theme I have going on. Down here I have like some storage space, so I got this little storage saver from DD's Discounts. So I just have like cleaning stuff, miscellaneous stuff. Then I have this bathroom toilet cleaner. That's what it is, a toilet bowl cleaner holder. That is from Ross. It was $8.99, and then that thing from DD's was like $5.99. Then I just have my toilet trash can that needs to be emptied. I have this really cool picture. I found this at Ross. I really love this. It was like $8.99. Really love this. Then I have just towels, more towels, and more towels and shower caps. And then the bathroom, the shower, I just have like the little shower caddy hanging, and then like the loofahs. Okay, and then the last part of my room is the walk-in closet. I will do a tour of that soon, so that's like a quick overview. It's full of stuff. So yeah, so I hope you guys all enjoyed my room tour. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me looks hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna.